It's all coming together when you start saying names like Cam Kinchens and James Williams, who were there already with Leonard Taylor, but then all of a sudden Wesley Bissaint comes on board, and Nigel Lee Kelly and Reuben Bain and Mark Fletcher and Damari Brown. I mean, these local, like, top shelf players are all coming together, and we've all seen what happens when that's a reality. Miami becomes Miami again. So it's off to a great start. No talking, no proclaiming, just working, brother. You know, just got to go to work.
Just every time you see somebody, a little kid, it could be a boy or girl, and they look up to you, and then it's just a thing that I made it out, you know. I ain't had the best situation ever, but I made the most of it. And it's just, you give those little people hope, you know, and every time you see a smile on their face, because most of the time when you're going around them, unless they around like teenagers, they don't know who you are. They don't know who Cam Kinchens is. So when you give back to them, you know, it could be a toy, it could just be a book, it could be anything. It just puts a smile on their face, you know, and just doing it just because you're a human being.
It's that Sean Cheese nigga.
What Jay made this.
Bow, bow.
What?
That's my dick. Never come same trophy.
Moving tax, so I stay on my pivot. I could be dead or in jail any minute. We up next. Fuck a visit like I'm trying to move out the hole when I'm finished. And ain't no bitch, I'm back and I'm better. And I'm loving this Beretta. Send me that Addy, so I need weather. Fuck all the ops, we can link her with never. Got a baba who told Beretta. She let me fuck from the back when I met her. She like Sanji's, you so clever. God go to stick that whole 30s and better. Smoke who? Nigga never. Clean that he block anytime and he weather.
Smoke who? Nigga never. Clean that he block anytime and he weather.
And damn, don't die like. He went out like. Hey, hold on, don't trip. Let's get gritty, walking through this shit. Got a baba tone on the blick. TG be mad, we fucking on his bitch. Say what? Smoke who? Said I catch your nigga suck a dick. Smoking on JB, mixing with the rip. Then they say he be fucking trying to make it lit. And my old bitch really whack. Could've hold it down, now I'm back. All these new thoughts, when the fuck is I rap? I don't want your IG, bitch, I want your snap. Like no cap, that's true facts. Most of y'all amazing with Dottie got caught.
Like no cap, that's true facts. Most of y'all busy with Dottie got caught.
Moving tax, so I stay on my pivot. I could be dead or in jail any minute. We up next. Fuck a visit like I'm trying to move out the hole when I'm finished. And ain't no bitch, I'm back and I'm better. And I'm loving this Beretta. Send me that Addy, so I need weather. Fuck all the ops, we can link her with never. Got a baba who told Beretta. She let me fuck from the back when I met her. She like Sanji's, you so clever. God go to stick that whole 30s and better. Smoke who? Nigga never. Keep that he block anytime and he weather.
Smoke who? Nigga never. Clean that he block anytime and he